It's super chill. You can yell whatever you want.
We cover your
Sing
songs.
along. Oh, thank you. I love that. Sorry, it's kind of chilly in here. I think it's going to warm up before tonight, though. So who's excited to hear some new songs tonight? Awesome. So only 2 other cities have heard these songs, and I feel like they're not on YouTube yet. It's great. Super exclusive. One that you probably have heard is our brand new single that came out 3 days ago. It's called I Want It All. We're gonna try to break it down acoustic for you. Hopefully it doesn't suck.
Yeah. If it does, then just clap a lot afterwards.
Yeah.